If you'd like to see how I'm going to repurpose and remove the vinyl from this Halloween themed glass and transform it into this lovely Fendi inspired glass, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video I am going to be repurposing this glass. This is a glass that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Very nice and heavy duty glass. I really like how heavy this is. It's not like flimsy or anything like that. I obviously did this DIY around last October, which was for Halloween, just to show how you can use your Silhouette Cameo, cut up some vinyl, and make a Halloween themed glass. A cute thing to do would have been to add a bunch of candy to this and like just give it to someone as a gift, your child's teacher. Anywho, I'm going to repurpose this glass. I was tired of looking at it, and I'm not really into Halloween decor and things like that anyway. I was just doing it for the versatility. So what I'm going to do is repurpose this by first peeling off the vinyl. So what I'm going to do is take my picker. It's really sharp, so you want to be careful. And I'm just going to go like this and just kind of pick at it until I get all of the vinyl off, and then I'll wash the glass off, and then we'll continue from there. Okay, so I'm using my picker just to kind of go along the edge to try to get the vinyl off the glass. And whatever you're going to use, whether you're going to use a picker or a razor blade, just make sure that you are being careful. And if you're still having a hard time getting the vinyl off your glass or window or whatever surface you're trying to remove it from, you may want to try to run a little bit of warm or hot water on the vinyl first, and that should also help get it off the glass. Got all of that vinyl off. It looks like it's a brand new glass, like it never had vinyl on it. I did it off camera, but also I did a short seeing how I pulled off that vinyl just simply using a picker. Then I cleaned it with some hot water and some dish liquid. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm just going to go ahead, and because this glass is bigger, I could have made this a little longer, but I think this will be nice. And I'm just going to line that up just like that and just kind of smooth that on. I love it already. Gonna go ahead and gently, carefully smooth that on. Carefully smoothing this on the glass. I love it already. Absolutely. So I'm gonna smooth that in really good. And then we can go ahead and peel it off. Okay, just like really quickly, I'm just pouring my daughter something to drink, some smoothie I made. But I want to show you, when I said I could have made it longer because the glass is longer, this is what I'm talking about. But I still think this size is cool, but I could have made it a little bit longer, how this stemless wine glass is. And I made this like over a year ago, so this is the inspiration. So I do want to go ahead and trim this, add some rhinestones to this, but just showing you really quickly. You may remember this video if you saw it before. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started and add on some rhinestones. These rhinestones we're going to be using today are clear transparent 5mm yellow rhinestones. Very pretty. And look at this glue, you guys. This is a quick hold E6000. This is my first time using this glue. Let me know if you use this before and let me know what you think about it. I picked this up from Joann Fabric, just on a humble. I didn't even go in there for this. I saw it and I was like, that doesn't look familiar. But when I saw it said E6000, I was like, oh, that's familiar. But then it said quick hold, and I was like, wow. And it was in a purple container. I knew it had to be new. Or it's new to me. Maybe I'm just a little late to the party. But I'm excited to use this, and it says it's a quick dry, thin formula. Instead of waiting for it to cure in about 24 to 48 hours, this actually says 6 to 8 hours. It says dry time will hold 2 to 3 minutes and reach full cure in 2 to 6 hours. So I thought that was very interesting. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I have a wax pickup tool that I'll be using to pick up the rhinestones. And okay, so I'm just starting off with adding a little bit of the quick hold E6000 glue. And I'm just taking my wax pickup tool and I'm just going to add each rhinestone. I'm just using this decal just to trace it. This is like so simple. This is so simple. This will make such a cute birthday gift or just a nice glass to drink out of yourself. If you wanted to do like a whole set of them, you could either have them all the same color or you can have them in all colors. And you don't have to use a Fendi logo. You can use a heart shape, Mickey Mouse ear shape. There's just so much you can do with this. You can do initials. That would be really cute. These make awesome gifts, and it doesn't take that long at all. Now, what I will say, what I noticed about this glue, it didn't have a super strong smell like the regular E6000, the regular silver one. It still has a smell, it does, but the formula is a lot thinner, and it does say that on the outside of it. So it's like kind of stringy a little bit, so just be careful with that. But the consistency is much thinner. But so far, it seems pretty decent. Okay, so as you can see, I'm actually almost finished, and I do have pre-cut vinyl available on my website if you're interested in that. My website is myroyalradiance.com. I don't currently have yellow. I just did yellow because it's spring. I wanted something bright and different. I like the way this looks on this particular glass. But I can add yellow if it's a demand for it. But I think this is coming together really cute, and you can do any color you like. And if I didn't say so already, I used my Silhouette Cameo cutter to go ahead and cut this vinyl out. So you definitely can do that as well. What you do is you just you copy the logo and you just paste it into your program, and then you trace it out. It's pretty simple. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this Dollar Tree DIY. This glass is very heavy duty. It came from Dollar Tree. It started out as a Halloween themed scary pumpkin face glass, and I transformed it into this glamorous, beautiful, brightly colored glass. And I think it looks so much better. And it just goes to show, like, if you get tired of something and you want to revamp it, swap something out, you can definitely do so. I hope you did find this video helpful and useful. Please give it a thumbs up if you'd like to. Share it on Facebook. And thanks, you guys, for watching. Bye-bye. And we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. And if you're not doing so already, you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Life is a Whole Vibe. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye.